Hello YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now this is a 1/144 scale high-grade Hyaku-Shiki from Bandai, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how I built this. This kit, like most high-grade kit, was a very simple and easy kit to build. Now there were some small parts that was a bit annoying, especially on the head part. However, this kit was still very easy to build. This being a Bandai kit, parts came off the sprue very easily. It was very easy to clean, sand, and fit and finish was very superb, leaving very little to no panel gap. Now, one surprise was that some of the gold parts were undergated. I'm assuming this is for the gold-plated version. However, not all the gold parts were undergated, especially on the arm part. All in all, this was a very enjoyable build. I cut each part out from the sprue, cleaned each nut mark, put it together following the instruction manual, and I got this. As you can see, this is a good looking kit even when it's built straight out of the box. The yellow mustard color is the only thing that really ruins the kit. Still, the proportion is right, details are superb, it poses well, and the joints are solid. I love it. Now, I didn't go crazy when painting this kit. I kept the build simple. I primed each part and gave it a basic color. For the gold part, I use Tamiya gold. It's not the best, but it's what I had at the time. I prime each part with a black primer and I spray the Tamiya gold. Once the paint has been dried, I buff each part using either cotton bud or cotton swab. This makes the metallic paint very smooth and shiny. After that, I gave it some brown wash and sealed it with a gloss varnish. For weathering, I kept it very simple. I just used a darker gold color and dabbed it on with a sponge, giving a little scraped look. And here's the finished kit. As you can see, this kit looks gorgeous with a basic paint job. It's very simple to build and it looks awesome. I highly recommend this kit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll put the link down below to my blog where I have more pictures of the finished kit. Please press the like button if you like this video and subscribe. Because on the next video, I'm gonna be building this.